I've been in my head, I've been in my heart, feeling like a dead, but this is just the start. Darkness is starting scary in the walls. All my haters praying that I will fall. Think I just might cause the issue's too tall. Creeping thoughts pitter-patter in the hall. Staring at the ceiling, wondering where I went wrong. Gotta work out when the pressure's so strong. Fuck it, ball it up and put it in a song. Stacking venom blocks for way too long. Many enemies tell me that I'm wrong. How I grab a mic instead of a bong. Spit it to my face since you're the top dog. I'm trying to be fire like I'm fucking hot sauce. Try to see it like a lava that I cannot cross. Feeling so trapped, man, I just gotta pause. Just gotta pause. I've been trapped for so long, I cannot breathe in, breathe out the bullshit. I just want to live my own life, but lately I've been trapped for so long, I cannot breathe. So you really thought that I would just die, lay down and take it all without a fight? Like I don't have thoughts on my own mind. Bitch, get out of mind before I snap and fight. Got so many things on my chest that I cannot rest. Yeah, this is a fight with zeal and zest. Best in the whole industry, so look at me closely. Study my style and try to copy. Then judge him out before I catch your body. Like a torn trampoline, I'll be trembling. I am petty, ain't afraid to admit it. Let my anger out and I catch a life sentence. I am not healthy and don't you think I know it? So I get up in the booth and then I fucking blow it. Now I'm all set and I am never slowing. No cap when I tell facts, I'm showing proof in the pudding that you cannot deny. Had to kill myself to open up my third eye. Finally, I cannot lie when I say I'm alright. The greatest things never ever happen overnight. Took a long time and it's my hardest ever fight. Not to shout and break his spine on sight. Syllables climb up with the glamour on ice. Mommy tells me that I act too nice. Sister says that she wants to end her life. Have my ex cheated from having such spite. Think what you want, but I've had quite a rough flight. So forgive my attitude if I'm a little uptight. But you never wanted me to reach my highest upright. Slow this little count in just a few bars. I don't even do it so you think I'm hard. I preach it on my soul to get rid of these scars. Do it again and again until I see God. Get it? Cause I'm his son. Shut the fuck up. My life like a game on the hardest difficulty. 100% the risk of rain. I scale infinitely. So try to keep up with my game or get the flame that I dish. Revenge, my name is named from the people I have kissed. I've been trapped for so long, time to break free. Breathe out the stress and breathe in the breeze. Fuck your opinions, I could not care in the least. I've been trapped for so long and it's time to be me. If I die tomorrow, I'ma die peacefully. If I die tomorrow, I'ma die feeling free.